Hi guys, it's Misha 18, owner of Fluff Beag. It's Tom or Beach to be back here, so Gurmila Mahago for having me. From Law 1, nor bhí me Rowney on Anam for my Gnobeag, I knew it had to incorporate my vision for the business, which includes Ruddy Love Jainta, a Crawford tradition, and of course, Wilga. Gach Rud Imashuppa that is Love Jainta by May Fain has touches of Wilga. I use Irish when I'm naming my targi or when I'm designing my cork laser detailed pieces, so tags and my new boots that she sold, they will always have the cúpla focal on them because they're designed by me and made in Ireland. The benefits of using Irish in my business for me is that it evokes the shared grow that we all have for things that are uniquely Irish, such as Nital, August, the cúpla focal that we all grew up with. It gives us that nostalgic feeling. Also, I really love a glacu port na Gradam seo, maar it just helps me develop my smaointe that I have of using níos mó Gaeilge in my Gnobeag. So sinné, gnáir an táile gachtain na nacht agus sinné, slán.